In today's video, we are off up to North Wales to recover a 1942 Cleetrac. It's up a mountain, we're taking the telehandler, and I think it's going to be a nightmare, but anyway, that's what we're doing today. Enjoy! Machine all loaded up, ready for the morning. Sam's just going to get the tractor unit, and we're off on our little adventure tomorrow. Go and collect something, so we'll try and get that on video. So yeah, telehandler, recovery attachment on the front. Yeah, we've got loads of chains and blocks and God knows what else. So yeah, we'll see how we get on with that. But yeah, should be. We'll try and get some of this on video tomorrow. But yeah, early start. Nearly no point going to bed, quite frankly. But there we are. Right. If in doubt, have a shunt. Not bad, not bad. What, your bloody shoes fell off or something? Flipping it. Oh, bring me slippers. Oh, that's right then. Is that running?
High flow pumper.
I was going to say, steady, innit?
A lot steadier when you've got the Baron engine on it.
She's going up.
Idle and flat out.
It's going up now, look. Look at that. easy as that. Morning, Clive.
Morning.
Why are we here?
Because we're all bloody stupid, that's why. At least some of us had a good night's sleep.
Yeah. So we're up in North Wales,
Yeah.
and we come rescue your Cleetrac.
Yeah.
So you've taken us 6 years.
I know.
I know, we don't like rush these things, do we?
No. You can't be too hasty about
Absolutely.
these matters. And brought a telehandler with us so we can drag it down the mountain.
Drag it down the hill.
That mountain.
It's got to go, it's up there somewhere.
It's all the way up there, under a sheet.
Oh, blimey.
We only buy the best quality merchandise.
Absolutely. Yeah. Right. We best get on then. So here it is. It's the Cleetrac up the hill. We've got to get back down the road. If you can see the road down there, there's some pretty steep old hills coming up here. Trusty telehandler. So she does roll. Yeah, mighty thing. So we've got, hopefully it's going to push us down the hill and over the sodding mountain, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Famous last words. Right, we've got this all hitched up. So we've got to come down here, and it doesn't really appreciate how steep that is, but that is pretty steep. So we're going to put the telehandler down the hill first, so at least the Cleetrac is pushing us. Weight wise they're about matched, so as long as the brakes on the telehandler don't give out, we should be good, I think. Just loading up the final bits. So we've been faffing around for probably a couple of hours just trying to work out the best way to mount this up. Ideally it would have been handy to have it on the back. We could have just driven off down the hill with it, and it would have followed us, but anyway, we can't do that. There's just not enough mounting points on it, so we have got it rigged up on the front of the telehandler with recovery bar and the A bar. So on the back of the track we put a safety hawser on as well, just in case anything lets go. I think we just got to go at it steady. We're going to just make our way to a forestry track, which is down the hill, just sort of in the forest here somewhere. So that's our first stop, so we're getting there. I'm just a bit worried that we may or may not be able to push this thing uphill. I don't really know. The hills getting here are pretty spectacular. Even just bringing the telehandler up was an effort, and the telehandler is wide as the road, so with a bit of luck we will make our way down. We'll get down to the halfway point, reassess the situation. We've got quite a steep hill to go down at the very end, which again is a bit of a concern. If it gets away from us there, we're kind of done really, so yeah, we don't want that. So yeah, a little bit at a time, steady. If we can stop, have a look, assess it, see what we want to do, change things around if we need to. Yeah, we're just going to see if the brakes on the Cleetrac actually work, because that just gives us a bit more braking effort if we need it. And yeah, we're just gonna, well, we haven't got an option. It's up here, and the lorry's down 2 miles down the road, and we've got to get it there. So we'll just go nice and steady. If we feel we're not happy about anything at any point, we'll just stop, and we'll have to make another plan. But yeah, we'll give this a go. We've got the GoPro up on top of the telehandler, so see if we can get a bit of footage, see what happens. But we're more concentrating on the job rather than farting around with cameras at the minute. So yeah, we'll see. We'll get what we can. So, but it's just, yeah, we want to just remain nice and safe and steady really, because this could bite us if we're not careful. So a bit of respect for the job, and let's have a go. Let's get it done. There's the team.
So I'm just checking my shares.
Oh, are you? How you getting on? Well, we're down the hill. That's the main thing. I don't know if you can see the hill behind me, but that is a hill. Anyway, we're down the hill. We're just about to get on the main road. So, Operation Mark. I don't know what's this bit. This is the sort of the last bit, isn't it? Yeah, so main road, some lights just down here, so hopefully we can time the lights, get the traffic. It's not that busy, to be fair, but yeah, it's gone better than we hoped, didn't it?
Yeah.
You seem to be more stressed about it than I was. I was driving.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just.
You're about worried about using that obituary picture I was on about earlier, wasn't I?
That is so steep. You just can't get an indication from that.
It's so steep out there. It's horrendous.
It's just terrifying, really.
Yeah.
And I was just waiting at the bottom, blocking the traffic, thinking
we were going to come barreling down the hill, out of control with a ball of smoke. Yeah. Or we'd have decamped and it just come barreling down the hill on its own.
Yeah,
no, we wouldn't have done that.
That's quite frightening, really.
Anyway, right.
It's here.
That's it. Let's get it on the trailer. I'm right on the front here, so I'm good. What we'll do, we'll pick it up now and we'll just pull it in. I'm starting to pick it up now. Yeah. So I stay like this a second then.
Right, if we take the cables off then, Andy, and let the block off. Well, pulling a...
So you either do that again and go that then that way.
I think let's work out where that's going to end up, just in case we need that D-ring to hold that on.
So do you want this off then?
Yeah, that can all come off. Because actually, to be fair, we can always
connected.
To be fair, we can always put. Actually, we might even put the chain in there, Andy.
That's what I mean. Just chain him up through there,
and then we can use those two to hold the teleand and the two right on the back.
We can roll that forward a bit in a minute.
Yeah.
We've got half a chance, haven't we?
Alright, we'll do that.
Do that.
Right.
You get that in there, can't we? Little chain there.
Yeah.
Use this one, the one I got on the other side of the big hooks on. Problem getting there.
There's so many people now living on the road.
Hey, you just live on the road. Want to pull on that? I'd rather do like that.
They're going to get the one who's
Only one way to find out. That is the one thing I like about the American stuff. They have all the slots cut in, don't they?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
I do prefer that. Well, I'm sure there's some else that's bomb. It's on, isn't it?
Okay, so that's it.
These are pretty good. They don't actually wind up.
Stop, do they?
Yeah.
it wouldn't have a yellow one.
Pretty good job. There's no rubber on that.
No, yeah.
And then this is as well. All of the yellow stuff is.
Right.
And then you've got its RF series.
Yeah.
Just get a quick dust over.
And then I've got that number plate on the back.
Auto RF number on one side.
Yeah. Sam's just getting the tractor unit. So, tractor unit going on. We've just got this hooked up for a minute just so we can pull it up clear of the neck. And then it's been a day, I'll be honest, trying to get that down the hill. Some of these hills, you know, that's basically where we've come from out there. Flipping steep, unbelievable. But the old telehandler's done a sterling service. It's absolutely marvellous. I'm going to hitch up the old Swedish Foden, as Mr. Hughes likes to call it. But yeah, we've done a good job today. Get this back and then decide what we're going to do with it. It's not actually mine, it belongs to this gentleman here, a friend of mine, Clive. So yeah, I think we're going to get restored. I would say it's too nice a vehicle not to be honest. But yeah, unfortunately, I think next time I need to buy one that's a little bit more accessible rather than out there of a solid hill, or a mountain I should say. But we've had fun doing it and the sun's been out today, that's the main thing, so it's all good really. So right, get this hooked up and then we'll do a bit on the way home. Well, there we are, we're all loaded up, strapped on. Done about 5 miles in reverse today, so we have mission accomplished, which is bloody brilliant. So chained up. I'm going to get some tea before we go and then hit the road. We've got a fair way to go yet, but yeah, the weather's held out today, so happy days. I hope you all enjoyed that. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in another video. And if it won't go backwards, I'm going to have to push it out of there.